If you want to know how much money you can make with 1,000 views, I have the solution for that. I just found out a new website. I mean, it's new for me, but let's open it. It's called YouTube Calculator, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can find it very easy. So let's do the first sample right here. I'm just gonna place 1,000 views, and then I'm gonna tap on done, and this is what you get for every 1,000 views. You get either $1.36 or $3.40. And you also have to keep in mind that this is an approach. It depends of your channel, it depends of so many things, but this is an approach. You can make $1 or $3. And now you can also you should keep in mind that countries like Australia, England, France, or USA, they pay more for every view that you get. So just keep that in mind. If you compare how much value the money has, of course those countries have a currency that has more value than others, like let's say South America. So just keep that in mind. They pay more and the other countries pay less. And now, so here we have the first example, and now let's pretend that we want to know how many views we need so we can make at least $1,000. Let's say that we want to make $1,000 a month with all the videos that we have in our channel. So let's type in 800,000 views. Tap on done, and here's the result. Here you have it. You can make $1,088 or more than 1,000, which right now we have $2,720. So this is like a very simple website. It's very easy to get the approach of how much money you can make per view. And there you have it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.